Good morning, student. Welcome to the biology class. This video is the continuation videos of our respiration. In the previous video, I explained about that what is mean by respiration. So you know, student, what is mean by respiration? Respiration is the fundamental process in which all living organisms are breakdown of glucose and release the energy in presence or absence of oxygen is called as the respiration. In the previous video already I explained about that what is the difference between respiration and breathing. Respiration means breaking down the glucose and release the energy, and breathing means exchange the gases. Got it? And there are two types of the respiration, aerobic and anaerobic. Aerobic means what? The respiration, the presence of oxygen, and the respiration process in absence of oxygen. It is called as the anaerobic respiration. Got it, student? Let us start the video. In this video, we are going to detail study about that the respiration in plant. See, student, first of all I will explain you in the for like human being we have a respiratory organs like that nose, trachea, larynx, lungs, but the plant have not a spatial organs like us. Then the plant is also respiration take place in different way. The plant respiration through their search part like roots, leaves, stem means the parts of the plant. Using this part of the plant performing the process of respiration. One by one we will detail study about that the how does the plant or respiration through by root, through by stem, and through by leaves. Got it, student? Let us start the respiration. First types of respiration in root. See, student, you have seen the structure of plant. There are so many roots. On the surface of roots have a root here, means see, this is a root. On the surface of root have a small hair, it is called as the root hair, and the help of this root hair the plant can respiration. Means what? See, there is a structure of root here. This is a root here. This is a root here. With the help of root here the plant can take the oxygen from, this is a soil particle. There is a so many soil particle. In between the soil particle have a space and it filled with the oxygen by process of diffusion. By the process of diffusion in the photosynthesis I explain about that. Diffusion means the movement of any molecules is the region of higher concentration to the region of lower concentration is called as the diffusion. By the process of diffusion the root here take the oxygen from the soil and throughout the carbon dioxide which is released by the process of respiration. Got it, student? The plant respiration through by root. By the process of diffusion plant can exchange the gases with the help of root here. This is a root here. With the help of root here plant can exchange of gases. Got it, student? Next is the plant is a respiration through by stem also. See, this is the structure of stem. The stem have a small pores, small opening. This is called as the lenticels. It is also called as lenticels. See, if the plant is herbivorous means green stem, on the surface of green there have a so many stomata. In the photosynthesis process we have studied about that what is mean by stomata. Stomata is a small opening on the surface of plant. With the help of stomata plant exchange the gases. But some plant, some bark, there have a permanent opening. These permanent small opening is called as the lenticels. With the help of these lenticels the plant can exchange the gases during daytime also, during night time also. Got it, student? It is a woody stem. With the help of this woody stem, on the bark have a small opening, small pores. It's called as the lenticles, and with the help of lenticles the plant can exchange the gases during daytime and night time. Got it, student? Next is the stomata. In the previous video, already in the photosynthesis, we have studied about that. On the surface of the leaf there have a small opening. This opening is called as the stomata. The stomata is made from the two bean shaped guard set. In the photosynthesis I explain about that, how does the guard cells are open and close. Because of the turgidity and flaccidity, the guard cells are open and exchange of the gases. With the help of stomata, the plant can take the oxygen and throw out the carbon dioxide by the process of diffusion. Diffusion means what? The process, there is a moment, means in the atmosphere there is a higher concentration of oxygen. Inside of the plant is a lower concentration of oxygen, means the transport of the oxygen from the region of higher concentration to the region of lower concentration. This process is called as the diffusion. Got it, student? Means the plant can respiration through by stomata, which is present on the surface of leaf. The plant can respiration through by the small opening which is present on the bark of the plant, is called as the lenticles. It is the permanent opening, and this opening is open during the daytime also and night time also. And on the root, have a root here. With the help of root here, plant can diffusion by the oxygen and carbon dioxide. Got it, student? Means the plant respiration through by roots, stem and leaves. In the stomata is open only during the daytime. In the night time the stomata is closed. So see, in the daytime, in the presence of sunlight, plant can make their food by the process of photosynthesis. Means the during the daytime the stomata is open, so the plant make the food by the process of photosynthesis. That times the stomata is open, the plant take the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, and by the process of photosynthesis plant make a food and release the oxygen. Small amount of oxygen which is used by the plant for the process of respiration, and remaining oxygen is released into the atmosphere. Why? Because the stomata is open. But what happen during the night time? There is no sunlight, so the process of photosynthesis is not carried out in the night time. Then the stomata is closed. That time, with the on the stem have a lenticles, on the stem have a stom. With the help of these lenticles, these stomata, in night time the plant take the oxygen from the atmosphere and throw out the carbon dioxide. Got it? Because in the night time the photosynthesis process is not carried out, so there is no oxygen in the plant. So the plant take the oxygen from outside by the process of diffusion and throw out the carbon dioxide. So our parents, grandparents are told us nobody should sleep at night under the tree. Because why? In the night the plant through the carbon dioxide, and carbon dioxide is harmful to us, because by the process, by the respiration, by the breathing, we need the oxygen. Got it, student? What is the difference between the daytime and night time? The last point of this video is the what is mean by lenticles and stomata. Let us see what is the difference between the lenticles and stomata. Stomata is the small opening which is present on the surface of leaves, and lenticles, it is also opening, and these lenticles are present on the stem and branches of the woody bark. The stomata remain open during the daytime. On the night time, the stomata is closed, but the lenticles remains open every time, night also as well as day also. Got it, student? What is the respiration, the types of respiration, and how does the plants are using this, the part of the plants like roots, stem and leaves, and carried out the process of respiration. In the next video, I will explain what is the basic process of respiration, means what is the cellular respiration, in external respiration in details. We will detail study about in my the next video. Thank you.